We need one more kid for this team. Kailangan pa namin ng isa. Sino kaya? Isa. Oh. She's a car. Pwede she's a car. Sino? Sino? Sino?
Sali!
Dali, sir! Dali.
Tama mo yung mga bata na.
Dito ka.
Pinakabunso! Bunso sa lalaki.
Jump on Alright, so now things for this game, tayo ay gagamit ng dalawang kamay. And of course, before we introduce you kids our games, acknowledge natin ang presence ng isang pinakabata natin. Function room na ito. So kids, when I say hi, you have to respond by saying hello. Okay? So Jolly Kids, hi! Hello! Hi! Ako dami kids. Dito yung dami kids natin. Alright. So now, for this game kids, tayo gagamit ng yung mga cups. Alright, so for this game tayo gagamit ng cups. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups. Now this game is what we call Go-Go Pyramid. Alright? So, syempre bago, para mas maintindihan, i-demonstrate po namin kung paano lalagay ang Go-Go Pyramid. Okay? So, kunwari kami ang first player. Ang gagawin ng first player, habang hawak ng mga cups, kids, we have to run towards the chair. Run. And then we have to build a pyramid. Okay? And this is how you build a pyramid, kids. So first you need 1, 2, and how many cups do we have? 3 cups. And next we need 1 and how many cups? 2 cups. And last, how many? 1. And where do we put this? Saan natin lalagay? On top. Alright, very good kids. And now after you build the pyramid, next, what you're gonna do is you have to shake. Okay? You have to shake your body. After you shake, you put the cups like this all together.